Malapit na ang Pasko and one way to celebrate Christmas is to prepare something different from the usual. Gagawa tayo gamit ang ating kaserola, ang ating chicken in a pot. Let's start cooking! And today, gagawin na natin ating chicken in a pot using our kaserola. Or you can even use your rice cooker. So ito, yung bigas ko, hinugasan ko na siya, nandyan siya, at binabad ko na siya ng a few minutes and strain out yung excess water. And meron akong water. Equal parts ang aking water and aking kanin. So ito, magigisa tayo. We're going to use Golden Fiesta canola oil. And ito siya, I am using chicken breast here. Pero you can use your chicken leg, no? I-cut mo into pieces with bone. Masarap din with bone. Pero ito, I'm using chicken breast. And yung gagawin ko dito, I will season it with our all-purpose seasoning granules. Dapat malasa na yung ating chicken. Mix natin. And I am using also dried shiitake mushrooms. Kung wala kang dried shiitake mushrooms, meron din tayong canned mushrooms. And ito siya, I will just slice it. Pag dry siya, kailangan mo siyang ibabad to rehydrate para maging malambot ulit. So ito, una-una gisa natin, bawang. Ito, para malasa. Ito, luya, 2 choices. You can slice it ganito. Pag ayaw mo kumain ng luya, lakihan mo. So you can just scoop it out later. Or pwede din ganito, Julian, kung mahilig ka kumain ng luya. Lalagay natin yung ating chorizo bilbao. Maganda igisa para lumabas talaga yung kanyang flavor. Mushrooms, more flavor. Ilalagyan din natin ng star anise. Kasi medyo Chinese talaga itong ating flavors today. And our chicken. Up to you if you want to use with bone in or ito, without bone. Alam nyo, pag kinain nyo to, it's very comforting, no? Hindi siya yung parang very strange. Because all of us are very familiar with these flavors already. Hindi siya makabago, hindi siya unique. It's very Pinoy already, no? Chinoy, no? Chinese flavors that are part of our everyday cooking. Yan. And I will add some carrots. Carrots? Ano ba? Yan. And season lightly with patis. Yan. We don't have to cook it too much because lulutuin pa natin siya more later. And some black pepper. And ito siya. Half cook lang to, ha. Half cook. But ginawa natin siyang gisa-gisa para mas malasa ang ating mga sahog na ginisa. You see the oil here is already infused with so much flavor from our chicken, our chorizo, our mushrooms, our ginger, our star anise. And we will saute our rice. Ito yung bigas natin kanina na binabad natin sa konting tubig. Rinse 3 times. Yan. And ito na siya. Saute lang natin yung ating rice with our oil and all the flavors hanggang medyo maging translucent ng konti. And now, we will just add our tubig. Pwede din chicken stock. May konting flavor na tong ating rice because of our very delicious oil from the saute natin. And we will cover that. Parang nagsasaing tayo lang, no? Cover that. Let's cook until medyo na-absorb na yung ating liquid. So ito, our rice is almost done. So ito, medyo pain-in na siya pero hindi pa siya luto. That is the time we will add ang ating ginisa kanina. So the reason na ginisa natin is that to be able to get as much flavor as possible galing sa ating mga ingredients na nilagay natin sa toppings. No? Pwede mo naman siya idiretso na walang gisa-gisa pero hindi siya magiging ganun kalasa. Yan. And in the meantime, ito siya. Cover that up. Konting in-in. Bantay sa apoy. Ayaw natin na masunog or matutong yung ilalim. So, painaan natin yung ating heat. And let's wait until our rice is cooked. Very delicious sauce. How do we make it? Ito siya. We're using hot water. And we will just dissolve our Datu Puti OYSTERRIFIC oyster sauce. I will add brown sugar. manamis-namis, maalat-alat, puno ng linamnam. Very simple recipe. And sesame oil. Ito na siya, no? Ito na yung ating sauce to pour over just before serving. At dahil hindi pa Pasko, kakain muna ako mag-isa. O, di ba? Dapat may kalab na ako para may kasalo ako, di ba? Very nice, very fluffy. And dahil ginisa natin yung ating rice sa ating mantika kanina, it becomes buhaghag. Look at that. And this is the way to do it. So ito, yung sauce natin, i-adjust mo sa timpla na gusto mo. But this is a base recipe. Masaucy siya, no? Ang sarap nito. And, kakain na ako. Perfect bite. Dapat gusto ko kasi may chicken and may mushroom and may chorizo. Happiness is simple pag masarap ang luto niyo. Kaya, eto na siya. Perfect na perfect yung sauce niya. Yung matamis-tamis yung sauce. Balit-alat yung ating chicken and all that. Oh my God. That's how you make food special. Simple, pero kakaiba yung atake. Kaya try this recipe at home. Chicken in a pot. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!